In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Smartsheet link. This is a useful skill if you're looking to create more organized and visually appealing sheets by customizing how links appear. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to your Smartsheet workspace or home screen. If you're not sure where to start, you generally find your workspace on the dashboard or your recently accessed files. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the specific sheet that contains the hyperlink needing a name change. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to locate the cell that holds the hyperlink you wish to edit. It's crucial to find the right cell, as that's where you'll be making your changes. Right-click on this cell to bring up a contextual menu. If you're on a Mac, you might need to control-click instead, but the principle is the same. In the menu or editing bar that pops up, you'll see both the current display text and the URL. The display text is what people actually see in the cell, whereas the URL is the destination the link will take you to. This is an excellent way to tidy up long or messy URLs and craft more descriptive, reader-friendly text that indicates where the link will lead. For example, you might want to change something like https:/example.com to project plan to give viewers a clearer idea of what they're clicking into. Go ahead and edit the display text in the dialog box that appears. Remember to keep the URL the same, unless you absolutely need to change the destination as well. If you do choose to alter the URL, make sure it's correct, as an error will lead your viewers to the wrong page. After you finish editing, the final step is to save your work. You can do this by clicking OK, or you may simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. It's a straightforward step, but incredibly important, as it ensures that all the changes you've made are applied and stored in the sheet. That's it, you've successfully renamed a Smartsheet link. With this new name in place, your sheet should look cleaner and your colleagues or collaborators can navigate through your data more efficiently. Renaming links can vastly improve the usability and professional appearance of your spreadsheets, so don't hesitate to use this technique whenever necessary. Thank you for tuning in, and happy Smartsheet editing.